Welcome back. Now in this video we will create a new directory, the one that we will create for the login screen and also the other one that we will create for the sign up. So let's go ahead and do that. So what I'll do in here, as you guys can see that clip, right click and create a new directory. Now simply we will give the name as login screen. Okay, now right inside that directory we will create a new dot file and we will name this as a login. Instead of space we will give the underscore and then we say screen in small alphabets, as you guys can see. Now in here we will have a stateless widget, so write st and then we go with the stateless. Now in here we will give the name as login screen. Remove this key and click in here, write on this stateless widget and import the library material.dart. So right in here we will remove that container. For now we will return the scaffold, and right in the scaffold we will just show the app bar simply for the login screen. Okay, so that you guys know whenever the user will click on this login, so there will be kind of app bar right on the login screen, and we're gonna add the title as a text which will be login screen. So in here app bar, right in there let's have a title, text widget in there, string, and now let's give the text login screen. Remember guys, we just give the app bar, okay, right to the login screen just for testing purposes. Now simply I'll close that login screen.dart and close that. Now in here right click, create a new directory. This one is going to be simply for the sign up screen, so let's have that in here, sign up. Screen. Now right in this directory we will create a new dot file which will be simply for the sign up screen. So in here sign up underscore instead of space screen. That is fine. Now we will have a stateless widget, so in here write st and gonna give the name as a sign up screen. Remove this key and click in here, import the library material.dart. In here you will just return the scaffold, then add the app bar in there. Let's have title, then text widget, and in there let's have that text sign up screen. Right in the sign up screen we just add the app bar and you guys can see that. Now close it and we are back on the welcome screen body. Okay, as you guys can see. Now let me show you that right in here also, so that you guys just don't get confused in that. That's the directory for welcome screen, and in there we have that body for the welcome screen. So open that. As you guys can see we are here on this dot file which is welcome body, that one. Okay, now down in here as you guys can see that text rounded button, in here we just give the login. Now that click event press, in there we will add the navigator. Now so in here we will say navigator, then we say dot push replacement and we'll take the contacts. Now we will provide the root, so the root is going to be material page root. From here we're going to take this down so that you guys can see it easily. In there we will remove that and you will have our contacts. Now simply we will get the user right towards the login screen, write it and semicolon. So this will simply navigate the user. As you guys can see right in here, we said that navigator dot push replacement, so it will simply navigate the user right towards the login screen. And right in the login screen, as you guys already know, that there we just add the app bar for testing purposes. Right in the future videos, we will create a beautiful UI design for the login screen. Now just for testing purposes, we add the app bar, so whenever the user will click on that login, so that you guys know that we will be on the login screen and also the user. Now we set this for the login screen. Okay, now we will do the same. Copy this from here and right in the sign up one, click event, right in the press, in there just paste the navigator dot push replacement, and right in here we'll just change this to the sign up screen, right at end semicolon. So this will navigate the user right toward the sign up screen whenever the user will click right on this sign up rounded button. So that is fine. Now I'll just simply hold to load the app. It's gonna take just a while. There we go. Display screen. Now there we go. Now we will just check this out. Come here and click on this login. It will simply take you towards the login screen. There we go. As you guys can see, that login screen. Okay, it's working totally fine. We didn't add the back button right towards the welcome screen. Now what I'll do, I'll simply just come here and click on this run manual dot, because we didn't add the back button right towards the welcome screen. So what I'll do, come here and just run it again, so that you can see that the sign up screen also is gonna work fine. Come here and click on that sign up, and there we go with the sign up screen, as you guys can see. So it's working totally fine, also for the login screen and also for the sign up screen, and you guys have already seen the result. It's working totally fine. So basically that's it for this video. Right on the next video we will work further. So see ya in the next one, and we will do further work.